What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy 3G. We're back with another video. And before I start, I just want to say shout out to Elgato for hooking your boy up with the newest product in their market, which is the new Elgato Cam Link. This allows you to turn any high-end camera, HD camera, into a webcam as long as it has an HDMI output. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually do it on the Elgato software, and I have a couple cameras here, including even my Canon mirrorless camera that I'm using right now to vlog. That even works as a webcam as well, especially my DSLR, my camcorder. You can even use a GoPro as well. This is one of the dopest products I've ever used, and I got another special video coming after this using the Elgato Cam Link, so you guys better not miss that. Now, inside the box comes, of course, the instruction manuals, but I'm already lit. I don't need to read this. Also comes an extended cable for USB 3.0 to also connect, and then it also comes with the Elgato Cam Link itself. This thing is beautiful. So without further ado, let me go ahead and connect this bad boy and show you guys how this works. Now, some of the things you want to make sure you have down pat before you start. You want to make sure your Elgato software is on 3.60. You want to make sure it's up to date. You also want to make sure you have the appropriate cables that will fit into your high-end camera to use as a webcam. You want to also make sure, of course, that your Cam Link is plugged up using USB 3.0 into your PC. So some of the first things we're going to do is plug this up to the Cam Link. You want to also make sure that this is plugged up to your camcorder. In this case, I will be using the Canon camcorder, which is 1080p 60 frames, and it plugs up perfectly, no problem. As mentioned before, you can use your DSLR camera that has an HDMI output. You can also use your GoPro camera. In this case, uses a micro HDMI output. I'll put the link in the description below for an adapter piece that you can purchase over on Amazon. And also, you can use your vlogging camera. In this case, I'm using the Canon G7X Mark II as a webcam with the same method as the GoPro, using the micro HDMI output adapter piece. Now, once you have everything plugged up to your PC, you're gonna hit the plus sign, hit Cam Link, and there you go. Your high-end camera is being used as a webcam on Elgato. Hopefully this video has helped you guys out. Once again, stay tuned for everything Elgato. This year they're dropping crazy products, including the new game capture that runs 4K 60. But it's your boy 3G, and I'm out of here. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.